China aims to accelerate the modernization of its industrial system. In a recent interview with Xinhua, an Indonesian-based expert said that he is optimistic about China's manufacturing industry.
China is one of the pioneers in Asian countries, in order to support or to boost the technological advancement to support the manufacturing sectors. By this technological advancement and then coupled with the productive labor, so I think manufacturing in China could still have a positive future going forward.
The expert added that China's manufacturing industry is not only driving China's economy, but also a positive driver of the global economy.
China is the second largest economy in the world. When China manufacturing sectors could support the economic performance in China, I think this is the positive driver to the global economy. When the global economy, particularly from advanced countries, currently struggling with the high inflationary pressure, with the increasing policy rates in the monetary policy, I think by improving the manufacturing sectors in China and also to support bilateral or the intra-regional with Asia countries and Southeast Asia countries, this will be powerful economies in the world going forward.